Welcome to PCG IT. My name is Dave Hodgson, and I'm the founder of PCG. We've been in business since 1996, and that's no accident. Choosing a new IT and security provider is a tough decision, but here at PCG, we make that simple with our onboarding switch kit. We start with the understanding of your business and its current issues, completing a full discovery of your network and uncovering any open issues that need to be addressed. It's all about setting expectations, communicating, and putting the right standards, documentation, processes, and a plan in place, with a timeline that minimizes disruption to ensure a smooth and seamless transition. First, onboarding starts with your employees getting access to our amazing help desk to support them with the daily IT issues. We offer support in quick turnarounds 8x5 or 24x7 for the users who need this extra service. Second is our net admin process. You'll get a dedicated lead engineer who understands your culture, team, and IT environment and will drive the technology and security projects that you truly need. Third, security and cybersecurity. PCG takes this very seriously and has a dedicated security team with the competencies and certifications to help with compliance, risk assessments, and most importantly, implementation of security policies and plans to protect your data, users, and company reputation. Fourth is our VCIO IT strategy review with your leadership team. This is how we help you attain your business goals and resolve technology issues that enable you to run and grow your company. Our fifth pillar is the Network Operations Center. That's where the magic happens. PCG is a very seasoned managed IT and security provider that has the people, processes, and tools in place to ensure your business runs efficiently, that you're secure, and that no breaches put your operations at risk. Relying on a single IT person is very difficult. We have the staff tenure and expertise in security, anything Microsoft 365, wireless, firewalls, surveillance, cloud and Microsoft Azure, server migrations, wiring, cybersecurity, risk assessments, compliance, and more. PCG has many ways to minimize your IT spend, simplify operations, and support your business objectives. When you're ready to get started, give us a call or email us to chat with one of our client success managers who will show you how easy it is to make the switch to PCG.